Hi Pixelers! Bring your pencils and paper because today we're going to draw a butterfly. For this drawing we'll need colored pencils black, yellow, and orange. This drawing is 21 squares tall by 24 squares wide. Let's start with the black color. Skip 3 squares from top to bottom. In the fourth square, we'll mark 2 vertically, up to the right 2 horizontally, down to the right 3 horizontally, down to the right 4 diagonally, down to the right 8 vertically, from this square down to the right mark 5 vertically, down to the right 2 horizontally, up to the right 1, in this line count 3 squares from top to bottom and mark 1 to the right. Up to the right 3 diagonally, from this square mark 7 horizontally downward. Down to the left 4 vertically, down to the right 3 vertically, down to the right 2 vertically, from this square 1 to the right, up to the right 4 diagonally, in this line, count 2 squares from bottom to top and mark 2 horizontally to the right. Down to the right 2 vertically, down to the left 1, from this square up to the right mark 5 vertically, up to the left 2 diagonally, up to the left 3 horizontally, from this square to the right, mark 5 vertically. Up to the right 2 diagonally. Up to the right 3 horizontally. From this square down to the right 2 horizontally. Up to the right 8 vertically. Up to the right 4 diagonally. Up to the right 3 horizontally. Up to the right 2 horizontally. Down to the right 2 vertically. Down to the left 5 vertically. Down to the left 2 horizontally. Up to the left 1. From this square, mark 1 to the right. Down to the right 3 diagonally. From this square, mark 5 horizontally downward. From this square, down to the right, mark 4 diagonally. Down to the right 2 horizontally. From this square, mark 1 upward. Up to the right 3 vertically. Up to the right 4 vertically. In this line, count 2 squares from bottom to top and mark 1 to the left. Up to the left 2 vertically. Up to the right 2 horizontally. From this square, skip 2 squares downward and mark 1. From this square, skip 3 squares to the left and mark 1. And now we're going to color all the squares we marked. If you're new to the channel or have been here for a while but you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Subscribe, activate activate the notification bell and you'll automatically be part of the Pixeler Club, which is what we call our family here at Pixelados. Let's continue with the black color and paint this entire area. Next, take the yellow color and paint this section. Now take the orange color and paint the rest of our butterfly. In the top corner, you'll find the link to my Spanish channel with hundreds of drawings. And that's how today's drawing turned out. If you like it, don't forget to support the video with a super pixelated like and comment below what colors you're going to use for your butterfly. Thank you so much, Pixelers, for being here for another video. I'm sending you a kiss, a huge hug full of lots of love from my pixelated heart. I'm Paito and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye!